This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to tighten BMW 1 Series handbrake, easy method. Begin by parking on flat ground and engaging first gear, then chock the front wheels for safety. Loosen the rear wheel nuts a few turns and lift the rear with a jack, placing axle stands under the subframe. Remove the rear wheels, locate the star wheel adjuster behind the brake drum or through the footwell, and prepare to tighten carefully. With wheels off and access gained, release the handbrake cable tension and inspect the adjuster. Turn the star wheel adjuster clockwise in small increments while spinning the drum or rotor by hand to detect drag. Aim for a light drag that stops the wheel when pulled gently, then back off a click to avoid binding. Repeat on the other side, reconnect the cable if needed, and prepare for reassembly and testing. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals and repair guides in poor light, and it fits neatly in a glove box for on-the-go reference. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. And now let's get back to the video. After reattaching wheels and lowering the car, torque the wheel nuts to spec and perform a static handbrake hold test on a gentle incline. Confirm the handbrake holds the car without needing excessive lever travel, and ensure there is no dragging while driving a short distance. Recheck the adjusters after the first day of use and make small corrections if the cable stretches or one side feels tighter than the other.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.